Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Verizon 5G home internet, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete registration and activation. Step 1. Visit the Verizon 5G home internet website and click on Check Availability to verify if service is offered at your specific address. Step 2. Enter your complete street address. Verizon 5G home internet is available in select cities and neighborhoods with 5G ultra wideband coverage. Step 3. Review the Verizon 5G home internet plan details, including unlimited data, no contracts, and flat monthly pricing with potential discounts for existing Verizon wireless customers. Step 4. Click on Get 5G Home Internet or sign up to begin the registration process for wireless home internet service. Step 5. Create your My Verizon account or log in to an existing account. Provide personal information including name, email, phone number, and service address. Step 6. Choose whether you want the 5G home router shipped to your address or if you prefer to pick it up at a Verizon store location. Step 7. Enter your payment information and billing preferences. Enroll in auto pay to receive monthly discounts on your service if available. Step 8. Complete your order and wait for your Verizon 5G home router to arrive. Once delivered, follow the included setup instructions to plug in your router, allow it to connect to the 5G network, and connect your devices. Use the My Verizon app to manage your network and monitor usage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.